additional Scott revenue like yours.
Things have changed. I am really hoping that I'm able to find a place, and I'm sure I will, but similar to Love Yoga in Austin, Texas, because it is just everything I've wanted and more. And I'm sorry, I feel like I express this every time in my vlog, but it's almost because it's so surprising to me, because I've never wanted to do group classes. Like, I've always despised them, like despised the outside look of them, because I'm like, I don't want people staring at me when I work out. I want to do my own thing. I want to get in and get out. I don't want to like talk to people. But I think that these classes bring me back memories to going to gymnastics as a kid. And I've always done group fitness as a child. That's how I grew up understanding fitness and sports and working out. And so it kind of makes sense that I enjoy it now, if I'm relating it back to that. I also push myself a lot harder when I have a coach telling me what to do. And you also like objectively don't have to talk to anybody in the class. I don't know why that was such like a turn off for me. Everyone at these classes are also really cool. And it's cool because it's a new, I feel like I'm meeting people that I didn't meet at my other gym. Like, it's like a different group of people. So it's been a lot of fun. Yeah. You guys, I've also been obsessed with cigarettes after sex. I know it's like, obviously everyone knows who they are and they're so good, but I'm like listening to them nonstop. Nothing's gonna hurt you, baby. Nice.
Yeah, they still made less.
Okay.
So yeah, and I think sister.
Done. For those who are new here, my name is Jael. I live in Whitefish, Montana, and I'm a content director. I work remotely for a startup. And I'm actually moving to Austin this winter, and only for a couple months, and then we're coming back. But we have a house here, and we're actually house swapping for a little bit with a friend that we know in Austin. And so, yeah, we're gonna be driving down on Saturday. We joke because Alejandro has been wanting to, he suggested flying, which I'm like, I think we need a car down there while we're there. But the reason why we need to fly or drive is because this is what my supplements look like. Yikes. Obviously, when we fly, I'm not carrying this much, you guys, okay? Trust me. But because we're driving, I'm like, well, yeah, I want to take everything, so ta-da! Today is a pretty average work day, and one of my friends is in town, Jessica, who lives in Pennsylvania, so we're gonna grab lunch today. But yeah, I think this afternoon and evening I'll just be spending kind of packing up some stuff, cleaning up. We do have Cassie, who's our cleaner, coming in after we leave to get it switched up before Matt gets here. But so we don't have too much to do, but just the normal stuff. guys, within a matter of an hour and a half, things have changed. So I had a good lunch with Jessica, but literally right before I went to lunch, we saw a leak in our house, and it was coming from where our washer and dryer are, down from the ceiling onto our second floor. So this is not ideal timing because we're supposed to leave for Austin Saturday, and I guess I just got home, but I was talking with Alejandro, and it sounds like the plumber said he's gonna try recalking the shower to see if that has anything to do with it. But if it still leaks, it means they have to like essentially cut the ceiling out and see if it's like a bigger issue. But we leave in like 2 days, so such a bummer. Okay, y'all, here is the update. Still don't know too much, but we do have good news. And the plumber thinks it was actually just a caulking issue because the person who, I guess, redid the bathroom before we bought the house didn't do a great job. And so it was kind of like leaking outside of the shower, and then which leaked into the vent, which then leaked into the ceiling. So we have to wait for 24 hours for that to dry, and then turn on the shower, take a shower to see if it happens again. And if it doesn't, then we're good to go. If not, then it means we have another issue, and it means we have to tear out the ceiling and figure out what's going on. But he's pretty sure the caulking issue was so bad that it wasn't even able to hold water in the shower. Like, how did we not even notice that? I don't know. But anyways, I'm kind of worried that there's mold now. So we called a mold guy, and they're supposed to be checking on just to make sure that we're good to go and clear on the mold. But like, you guys, I feel like these issues only happen in the worst timing. Like, we're supposed to leave on Saturday. Today's Wednesday, and we won't be able to shower to see if something happened till Thursday. So Thursday is essentially like the day that we'll have to make decisions by, like Thursday afternoon, which is literally crazy because tomorrow's busy. So anyways, love that for us. Taking it one day at a time. We'll figure it out. You know, worst case, whoop-de-doo. We can go to Austin, or it's delayed. The only thing is I really just wanted to see my family for Christmas, and if that gets delayed, that is going to be, you know what, but we're all surviving. It could be worse. You guys, some time has passed. Alejandro's at the gym. I'm finished with work, and although my statement prior of us not knowing what we're going to be doing this weekend, I think we're leaning towards, I think the plumber's pretty sure that it was just a caulking issue. So I think we're okay. That being said, I'm gonna pack for Texas in the off chance that like 20% that we are not going to Texas. So, but I also have a holiday party that I'm going to tomorrow that I'm super excited to kind of vlog while I'm there. It's gonna be so fun. I'm going with Brooke and Ashley and kind of my old team at the Pink Hole Architect firm. And it's kind of fancy, kind of ritzy. We're gonna go to a cocktail hour dinner, and then there's like a show, like singing and stuff after, and I'm sure we'll go out. So excited to kind of show that. But I need to find a dress to wear that. Time to make dinner, and I'm gonna make, this is my go-to dish when I feel like I don't want to spend too much time cooking, but it's still really good. I ground up some beef, and it's almost like a Mongolian beef sauce that I do with it. So it's like brown sugar, soy sauce, garlic, red pepper flakes, onion, all that jazz. And I mix that sauce in whenever the beef is done being grounded, so it still has a little sauce. And then you top that over some sushi rice. And then I'm gonna put a little salad on the side. And then if I have green onions, you're supposed to top it with green onions and then tomato. So that's what we're gonna cook. I actually forgot I had bone broth in the fridge. A hack to getting more protein in your meal is to cook your rice with bone broth. I think it has like, I don't know, like 10 grams of protein per 3/4 a cup or something like that. So that's nice. This will never measure, but should be good.
Work too. Now we're gonna go to the supermarket. I tried lemon.
You guys,
in the oven.
look what just happened.
Out the oven, then make some spinach, and with the spinach on the salmon. So we're currently at a weird angle. Hold it all day today. We'll be at a weird angle. This mirror needs washed.
Recording in progress.
Off to a good start. Yeah. Remind me where you're based.
I'm in Ottawa.
Okay.
We've got some peeps in Montreal and some people in Saskatchewan.
Yeah.
Additional Scott revenue, like you're saying.
Yep. Early picked, you know? So how do we feel about getting to 6? I guess it was 60?
On my way to a power flow class with Brittany, and it's my second to last love yoga class until we leave.
Sir, just, you know, that we can build off of that over time.
Yeah.
That trip, that like last minute trip kind of just threw it like, and then
Yeah.
like kind of getting like race sick.
Okay. I love the blowout I got. I did one where she pins the curlers, which I've never done one of those before, but it just adds so much more volume to your hair. I love it so much.